Three words that the British stole from India. I think it's kind of a harsh word, but let's just go with it for now. Word number one, the word loot. Now, I'm not the first person to point it out. There are many. One of the most famous people to point it out is, of course, 𝗏𝗏 𝗏. He talks about this in his Oxford Union speech. So, loot as in lieutenant. Word number two, you're going to be surprised about this one. The word mango. The word mango is actually Tamil. Did you know that? Talking about Tamil, the word anaconda is actually ancient Tamil from An and Konda. An meaning elephant, Konda meaning to swallow, and therefore something that is large enough to swallow an elephant is anaconda, as in anaconda, Jay. Right? That. I'm thinking like giving you another one, so just this is a quick bonus. So, the word shampoo. Now, the word shampoo comes from champi, which comes from champa ka tel, and therefore champa, champi goes to French, so therefore champi and then shampoo. Cool, right?